The OnePlus Nord, announced in July of last year, hit the market as a true game changer for the Chinese manufacturer and became one of the best-selling mid-range smartphones in markets like India, marking its return to the mid-range smartphone segment. Despite being made official in the 7th month of the year, the commercial launch took place in August, and as we are already at the end of May, leaks about the successor of Nord have already started to appear on the web. OnePlus itself confirmed that Nord 2 will be the name of the device in a FAQ section on the official website, with OnePlus 9, OnePlus 9 Pro, OnePlus 8T, OnePlus 8 Pro, OnePlus Nord, where it mentions a new promotion only for the United Kingdom, Germany and France, involving the Stadia Premier Edition. The text above shows that the promotion runs through September 30, and it makes no sense to include Nord 2 in it without the intention of making it available to customers before that. So here we are working with the assumption that the successor to OnePlus Nord will be made official before September 30, and according to previous leaks, it looks like it will hit the market with a MediaTek Dimensity 1200 chipset. The Dimensity 1200 was introduced earlier this year, and the platform is built on a 6nm node. It has a main Cortex A78 core that goes up to 3.0 GHz, 3 additional A78 cores at up to 2.6 GHz, and 4 Cortex A55 cores that can go up to 2.0 GHz for power efficient tasks. It also has a Mali G77 GPU with 9 cores and comes with global 5G connectivity along with 5G dual SIM dual standby, a feature that Qualcomm is yet to adopt in 2021. Well, OnePlus is not going to adopt a Qualcomm Snapdragon chip in its next mid-range smartphone, which opens the door to lower price possibilities. Who knows? Let's wait and see. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And if you want to support me on Patreon, the link is given in the description. And I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.